The Leopard 2 rolls out, ready for the battlefield.
Firing now. Shot over. Clear localized. Impact confirmed.
Welcome to where we built the mighty Leopard 2 tank.
Armor steel plates arrive from Germany's finest steel mills. Every plate undergoes ultrasonic testing for hidden defects. Plates are sorted by thickness for different hull sections. Metallurgists verify the steel's molecular structure meets specifications. Proved plates move toward the precision cutting stations. This warehouse holds armor for dozens of Leopard tanks.
Final approval releases each batch for tank production.
Each plate weighs several tons of hardened German steel.
The plasma cutting bay shapes raw armor into hull components. Plasma arcs at 30,000 degrees slice through armor steel.
Fiber lasers cut thinner panels with microscopic precision.
Operators monitor multiple cutting heads simultaneously from control stations. Molten steel falls away as the arc advances. Cut sections are lifted for deburring and edge preparation. Edges are ground smooth and beveled for welding. All hull components are staged for the welding phase. In the welding bay, armor plates become tank hulls. The hull floor plate is clamped into the welding jig. Robotic arms lay deep penetration welds along armor seams. Master welders hand weld complex joints robots cannot reach. Internal reinforcements are welded inside the hull structure. Welded sections cool slowly to prevent stress cracking. X-ray inspection reveals any flaws hidden in the welds.
A complete Leopard 2 hull weighs over 20 tons.
Classified composite armor is assembled in secure, clean rooms. Ceramic tiles form the core of composite armor protection. Gantry alignment looks good. Proceed with the coupling sequence.
Acknowledged. Module locked in.
Each Leopard turret, Leopard 2 turret, shakes shape in this bay. Slow, slow. Watch the alignment on the port side.
Steady as she goes, almost seated.
Clamps are ready for engagement.
Main gun barrels are forged from specialized electroslag steel. MTU builds the powerful 1200 horsepower diesel engine. Check complete on hydraulics.
Electrical interface secure. Ready for lift.
RENK transmissions provide infinitely variable speed and steering. Each Leopard 2 rides on steel tracks from Deal.
Fire control systems give the Leopard 2 deadly accuracy.
All sensors verified. Integration complete.
Alignment complete. Ergonomics verified.
Kilometers of wiring connect the tank's electronic brain.
Check the BMS integration status.
Looks good. All nodes reporting healthy status.
All stations report green, ready for integration.
Roger that. Checking thermal alignment now.
Comms check, sounds good.
Hydraulic systems give the turret its precision movement.
.3 milliradians, that's well within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's log the data.
Send them. Leopard.
NBC systems protect crews from nuclear and chemical threats.
Warning. Chemical agent detected. Level high. NBC overpressure active. Seal chamber immediately.
The crew compartment becomes home for 4 soldiers.
Radio check. How copy? Loud and clear, Commander. All systems nominal.
CARC paint resists chemical agents and infrared detection.
All measurements are well within spec.
The touch-up on the lower quadrant is finalized.
This one is good to go.
Every Leopard 2 must pass rigorous factory testing. Firing now. Shot over. Clear localized. Impact confirmed.
Die Prüfpunkte sind alle erfüllt.
Das bestätigen wir, Herr Major.
Sehr gut. Die Abnahme ist erfolgt.
And with this handover, the Leopard 2A7 is officially combat ready for the Bundeswehr.
That's how the Leopard 2 is built for battle.
The Leopard 2 rolls out, ready for the battlefield.